Aloha everyone, I'm Rick Kirkham of InHomeComputerHelp.com right here in Honolulu, Hawaii. I cover all of Oahu, and just a while back I was professionally cleaning one of my clients' computers and then giving him a few lessons, and it seems that he had been going to the library because he could not read the Word docs that he had on his own computer. So I showed him how to upload them using Google Docs. Now, Google Docs is free. They give you up to 15 gigabytes of storage. It's free. So let's go ahead and get right into that. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a folder. So I'm going to go to New and Folder, and we'll call that Lesson Video, and click on Create. And it should be coming up here pretty soon. There it is. So I'm going to double click on that. And I happen to know I've already put a little Google, Word doc file on here. So I'm going to click on this little square right here. And then happen to have it right here. Now you can move this around. Just left mouse click on what they call the title bar. Keep it down there, and then you can move your finger on the mouse pad, or you can move your mouse around, and then that's a way to move the window. Now we use the same exact motion to grab the file here. Left mouse click in it. We can drag that right into the Google Drive folder. Release it. It will upload.
Dad, start getting ready.
And that's my son, ladies and gentlemen. Hi, son. I will. My son's going to be on YouTube. Yay. So, you notice it's uploaded right here. So, now when we double click on that, and that opens up like so, you can go ahead and edit it. Put that over here. So boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. And that's all there is to it. So you can upload to Google Drive, and then you're going to be just fine as far as being able to use Office documents every once in a while. If you're going to use it a lot, you can buy Microsoft Office if you want to, of course. But that's all there is to it. Aloha, and God bless you.